right, number 10, we're asking to find x again. And here we see that the relationship between these two values is that this is the angle. So the angle of STU, please understand this is an inscribed angle, is going to be equal to 1/2 the arc. And it's 1/2 the arc of SU. So let's plug in the values here. This is 9x minus 25. For the angle of STU is equal to 1/2 the arc of 94. Okay. So let's half 94. That gets you 47. Bring down 9x minus 25. We add 25 to both sides because again, we're trying to isolate that. This gets you 72 and 9x here. Divide by 9, divide by 9. 72 divided by 9, you get x is equal to 8. So there you go. That is how you do it. You have to understand the inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the arc.